damn it. This is the deal. I'm gonna show you some bills. I'm gonna give you some fucking money. I want you to go out tonight and kill this son of a bitch. 'Cause he's creating shit. And I'm tired of it. I want you to go out and kill this son of a bitch. Again, this is the money. I'm gonna give you the money. You know what to do. I don't have to tell you. God damn it, I don't want to tell you. This is a hit. You know what a hit is? A hit is hit. Means you go out and kill this son of a bitch. He owes me a lot of money. And I'm not taking any more bullshit from him. So I'm ordering you to go out and take care of his ass. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm too old to do it. So I have elected you into the position of taking care of this son of a bitch that can't pay his fucking bills. You got that?